Welcome to the Innovative Learning Academy at Hubert Middle School, where we practice rigor, relevance, and relationships. We feature STEM education in our curriculum. We offer college and career readiness in all of our courses, which includes family and consumer science, business and computer science, audiovisual arts, engineering, and advanced mathematics. We are now recruiting for incoming 6th and 7th grade students. A cross-curriculum of science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Students enrolled in our program can expect to see an increase in assessment scores, improvements in behavior, character development, employability skills, and be adequately prepared for secondary choice programs, affording students the best opportunities there are.
Today we're making warm cinnamon rolls.
Welcome to Family and Consumer Science at Hubert Middle School. In this class, you will gain skills to become a better leader. My name is Mrs. Johnson, and I will be your instructor.
Hi, my name is Jada Robinson, and I am in 8th grade. I've been in Family Consumer Science since 7th grade. In Family Consumer Science, we learn about cooking, baking, and we even learn about life skills.
Hi, my name is Mariah Carter. I'm in the 8th grade. I've been a part of Family Consumer Sciences since 6th grade. I had fun creating a gingerbread house that was displayed at the Western Resort. I really enjoyed sewing, mentoring other students, baking banana bread, which we delivered to the homeless shelters. Overall, I really enjoyed this class.
In this class, we do have a student organization called FCCLA. You get to participate in lots of competitions and go on trips and get to meet new people. Jada, what is something that you love about our class?
We eat snacks!
And we also get to try new things.
Bon appetit!
Welcome to Business and Computer Science. I am Ms. Smith. Like all of our pathways, students enrolled in my pathway explore employability skills, entrepreneurship, web design, and programming. Students use computational thinking to solve problems, which allows them to develop the competencies required to become computer programmers. Our CTSO, Future Business Leaders of America, introduces students to character development and leadership skills. Students in this course learn how to troubleshoot and program games, websites, and apps using Google CS First, Thunkable, Scratch, and Swift Playgrounds. Join us.
Hey, I'm Mr. Green, the engineering teacher here at Hubert Middle School. Here in this class, we are very heavily project-based, where we learn how to create, design, and build different aspects involving buildings all the way down to robotics. Now, the benefits of this class is learning your problem solving as well as critical thinking skills, learning how to do a project from start to finish, from research to creating a 3D model, and then creating an actual hands-on prototype. Here in the engineering lab, students will have the ability to use our equipment like our drill press, our miter saws, and our bandsaws, sanders, and grinders, as well as our grinder and our bandsaw and our 3D printer. And the mill press, where students will have the ability to insert different materials, program it on the computer, and have the machine cut out different shapes and different objects.
Hello, and welcome to Hubert Middle School. On behalf of the Innovative Learning Academy, my name is Mr. Duplessis, and I teach audiovisual arts and broadcast communications here at the school. In the Audiovisual Arts and Broadcast Communications program, Students learn the necessity and benefits of proper communication skills in all of their relationships, from interpersonal to business. These communication skills help children prepare for careers in multimedia arts. In addition to broadcast communications, students will learn all things related to audio editing, video editing, cameras, lighting, green screen, how to set up a studio, how to prepare a video for YouTube, how to learn about the benefits of being a social media influencer, how to do image editing, image manipulation, and create beautiful compositions using art, creativity, and the power of their expression.
My name is Michael Kennedy. I work here at Hubert Middle School as a math representative, but I teach advanced mathematics. I work alongside of the great math teachers that we have here at the middle school. I teach a level of mathematics that requires a little bit more rigor from students that are in the current grade of 6th, 7th, and 8th. Those students will be taught a level above their current level. For instance, 6th graders will be taking 7th grade mathematics, 7th graders will be taking 8th grade mathematics, and 8th graders will be taking 9th grade mathematics for an actual credit in high school. The rigor comes in because of the fact that a lot of the concepts or the link to the concepts are a little bit more advanced than the kids are used to. For instance, a kid coming in learning how to add equations may now be learning how to multiply equations or even graph equations. A lot of the rigor comes through a lot of real-world examples. For instance, when we're graphing, I have them think of airplanes taking off and landing. Basically having to coordinate airspace areas, use a lot of equations and things of that nature. So if you feel as though you're a student that really loves mathematics or even interested in the area of mathematics, I invite you to come and take the challenge of joining my Mathematics Advanced class. I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to learning and growing with you.
Thank you for your time and consideration. Please visit our website for more information.